What's up guys, welcome to another lesson. Today I'm showing you how to play an advanced version for La Vie en Rose. It's going to be in the key of A flat and it's going to sound something like this. I'm just going to play the first verse for you, and remember you can download the PDF for this lesson inside our link in the description. You can just go download it. That didn't make a lot of sense, but I think you get the idea. Hold me close and hold me fast, the magic spell you cast. This is La Vie en Rose. When you kiss me, heaven sighs, and though I close my eyes, I see La Vie en Rose. No, I'm joking. That where I started improvising, we're not going to learn that. I was just getting carried away. But it's such a nice song. It just inspires you to play. And it's got such cool chords. This nice major 7 and the major 6. Oh, that's just so nice and calming. And I just love it. It's just got some really nice changes. And I'm going to show it to you step by step. There's a couple of chord shapes that we need to know though before we get going, and you can get them in the link below and then go through them by yourself, or you can follow along with the video and I will just quickly show them to you. Okay, so the first one is the major chord using the thumb. So you take this, we're going to do it in A flat, so the A flat is at the 4th fret. So you put the thumb on the root note, and then you take these fingers going up from the 2nd string. 1, 2, 3. You play with your thumb or these 3 fingers. So the thumb plays the root and these 3 play the other ones. So Jimi Hendrix uses this shape a lot, John Mayer also uses it, and Stevie Ray Vaughan also use it a lot, and all guitar players of today use it, but those are the guys that kind of made these shapes famous. Okay, so that's the shape we're going to be using, and then you can also do a major with the usual shape, just major chord, A flat. You need to know that shape. Then the major 7 shape looks like this, A flat major 7. So you can play it with the thumb on the root note or the index finger. So it's like an A minor shape, but it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty nice. And then our major 6, which has got the middle finger doing the root note, then index finger here on the 4th string, then the ring finger at the bottom on the 2nd string, and then pinky here on the 3rd string. So kind of like a zigzag chord. If you do the fingers one after the other, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. It's kind of a hard chord to get your head around in the beginning because it's kind of most chords go like in a sequence, like C. You know, this is quite a hard shape if it's your first time learning a chord like this. Okay, so that's your major 6, your 6th chord. Not really. Yeah, it's a major 6. So then the 7th chord is what you need to know. We're also going to play it on the A flat, just so it's something like this: 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one. Pretty simple. Your minor 7 shape, which has got all the fingers in a row, 1, 2, 3, 4, everything on the same fret. Then we're going to the 9th chord, which has got the root on the A string. So we're going to do, let's say, E flat. So put the middle finger on the 6th fret, and then it's E flat, and then you play the shape. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The other strings. Remember to play from the 5th string down. So that's your 9th shape. So this would be E flat 9. Okay? Then a major 7th shape with a root on the A string. Okay, so put index finger on the, let's do D major 7. We can do D major 7. So 5th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4. But I think in this song we're going to actually play a D flat major 7. So that's going to be on the 4th fret. So 5th fret is D major 7. 4th fret is D flat major 7. Next chord is a minor 7 with the root on the A string. So let's just play a D flat minor 7. Oh, wow. Oh, such a nice chord to play. Okay. Now let's go through the different sections of the song. So we're going to open the PDF and we're going to start with A flat. Hold me close, A flat major 7. Before I carry on, let me just show you the picking pattern, okay? Let's just take the A flat major chord and we're going to do the picking. So just watch my right hand. I'm going. Hold me close and hold me fast, the magic you cast, this is the... So instead of doing the slap, you could strum the strings. Yes, B? Ja, die delivery ouens by my gehou, ek bel terug baie. Jaco, hallo? Goed hier, is dit Ram? 54 Rose Avenue by die kerk. Ja. Okay, ek sien jou nou 54. Okay, wat? Okay, this guy's delivering my phone. I'm just quickly gonna finish up this tutorial. So let me just show you the verse. Hold me close and hold me fast, the magic spell you cast. This is now the end. B flat minor 7. Now for the E flat 7 you can play an E flat 9 like that instead of the 7th shape like that. Okay. When you kiss me heaven sighs, and though I close my eyes I see love and roses. Now I'm using the C shape as an E flat 7. It's like C7, E flat 7. Okay, and then we go, when you press me to your heart, I'm in a world apart, a world where roses bloom. Or you could do a D flat major 7. Bloom. And when you speak angels, D flat minor 7. Sing from above. B flat 7, everyday word seems to turn into love songs. Give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be la vie and rose. I ended on an A flat major 7, just sounds nice. So that's it. You can also, instead of playing an E9, you can do a chord substitution and do an A7. So, I will always be la vie and rose. Cool, let me know if you have any questions for the song, comments, anything at all. I'll be happy to help you. Cheers.